So a patient gifted me with stuff from India. So this one talaga na itong hinahanap. This is anti-inflammatory, but it's actually quite used also for body recovery. It's called CISUS. Yeah. And then I have ashwagandha and shilajit. So I'm excited to take this one. Okay, inom na ako ng isa. Shilajit. Inom na ako. So I have to open this one. Fudge. Fresh from India, so for sure wala tong masyadong daya. Grabe yung amoy. Amoy pa lang, bro. Amoy ano na. Pambasagan na. Okay. So this is what the real capsule looks like, bro. Should be black talaga. So yan. Yan siya. Bilis ng dito ako.